short functions which let you focus on what you want instead of how to do it with loops. You'll learn to filter, sort, transform, and collect data from collections and use these skills to solve tasks like finding songs or listing music genres. So now I hand it over to Latabo. Let's go first. Camilla.
Stream puzzle. Oh, now I'm doing stream puzzle now. So this program demonstrates how to use the song search class to display and search for songs. So what we have here is a public class called stream puzzle. So what public class does is public. You're able to take that piece of code and able to export it. You're able to export it anywhere. The main method is the entry point of the program. Param arguments the command line arguments. Param args the command line arguments. Then public static void main string args. Create a song search object. Song search equals new song search. Right, so that creates a song search object. Then display the top five songs. Song search prints top five songs. Empty brackets, and then search for songs by the Beatles. Then song search the Beatles, and then song search for songs by the Beach Boys. Song search the Beach Boys. So what this does is pretty much streams. It displays songs. That's what it does, man. So it pretty much streams stuff. Then all I have to do is just run everything. Then you get the results. Just running now. Immigrant song with a little help from my friends hallucinates. Pasos de Cerro, Cassidy. With a little help from my friends, no songs found by the Beach Boys. So the double is now gonna explain why there's no songs found by with song search. So yeah, that's what's been run in my NetBeans. So on to you, the double or the tabo.
Okay.
On to you, man.
So within our song search class, we have a final list for the song. So what we'll do is that we will load all songs from the jukebox data class into a list. So as you can see with the private final list songs equals to new jukebox data dot songs to get the songs.
Mm.
Then with our void print top five songs, this will do is that it will display the first five songs after sorting them by the number of times they have been played. So with the list string or top five, we will go to song search. So we create a string for the song list. Then it will sort the songs by times played. It will convert each song object into its title, so it will map it out to get the song title. Then for our limit, we keep only the first five song titles. Then we collect those titles using the collectors to the list. Then with our system print line, we display the list of song titles. Then with the void search, so what it will do is that it will search for the first song by specific artist. So it's optional, so we'll filter the songs to find one matching artist and keep only the songs from those artists. So if we do a check. uh, So for the matching song, then what we'll do if it is present, it will print the title of the matching song. Then we'll display it using the system out print line. And yeah, as you can see the results there. And yeah, that's it for chapter 12.
Mm. Mm.